We shrink ourselves, a thought becomes our boat, to drift where laws of light and charge do float. The atoms hum like bells in crystal halls, while electrons leap through band-gap waterfalls. A photon taps, an electron takes the dare. It jumps and leaves a hole of ghostly air. Negative meets positive, they dance. A bound exciton caught in quantum trance. Causal the path, excite, then bind, then glow. No step occurs unless the prior shows. Bosons emerge from fermionic fire, and with them dreams of solar cells aspire. Now deeper still, where fields and chill conspire, we find the hall where fractions never tire. Here quasi-particles shed charge in shards, each one a piece in strange entangled cards. No longer lines but loops of logic gleam, where each implies the next within the scheme. The exciton, a ring of nested proof. The parts sustain each other like a truth. A chill pervades, coherence starts to sing, and fractional friends in union form a ring. Together, they condense, a silent roar. One phase, one state, one transport at its core. If one appears, the others too arise, like mirrored stars across the lattice skies. Conduct in counterflow, a drag so clear, the triad shines. All three must now be here. But stranger still, a phase breaks every chart, where boson, fermion, and roles depart. The whole now binds the rest in subtle grace, a junction point in threefold quantum space. No single part exists without the rest, together woven, bound in logic's vest. This conjoined trio laughs at stats we know and dances only anyone's could show. In rings of graphene shaped by human hand, we test the signs that mark Exciton land. Insulators turn to flowing streams, but only when the countercurrent gleams. Drag with no push, coherence crystal clear, and when it's gone, the silence shouts the fear. These signs arrive as triads, not alone. Each one implies the others must be known. A field is tuned, a dial softly turned, and in response, new matter states are learned. Displacement shifts the layers into play. One triad fades, another lights the way. Composition, phase, and waves of thought are yoked together more than once was taught. To change one part is to reshape the rest. In Wonderland, all buttons press the chest. From linear roads to Mobius design, where every end loops back to start the line, the quantum teaches not just what, but how. New modes of logic shimmer in the now. Excitons first were children of a cause, now they're the authors of their own strange laws. Causal, cyclic, then conjoined in grace, each phase a new reflection of this place. And here we pause. What drives this need to know? Not just the charge or spin or light we show, but how we wish the world to make us see. That parts alone can't birth complexity. What we want for us, for them, for all, reflects in how excitons rise or fall. Their triads teach what thought can barely track. That wholeness lives where fragments fold and back.